welcome to one more video of Nifty Analysis. I am Aman Sharma and you are watching Price Action with Aman. Those who have not seen my previous video on Nifty Analysis, please go to the channel playlist and you can watch a previous level list of Nifty. We had discussed that there will be a V-shaped recovery, price will go to the top of that V-shaped recovery, and there at top of that either price will open above that level and may shoot up for 16100 levels. In case it does not shoot up because we had a swing high here, so it took a resistance here, in that case the price might come down, take a support here and then go up. What happened, however, the price came here to this level, but it did not show any support taking capacity. It just pierced through. The very next day candle pierced through this level and it came inside. When it came inside, it started taking resistance here. You see these 4 or 5 hours of candles formation, which is clearly showing that Nifty is taking resistance here. Because of that, now this resistance is pretty much strong and it is confirmed. However, what happened, price consolidated here for a few hours and it broke today it broke today, but the candle strength is not so good. These are small candles. So what happened, the price broke through, price consolidated like this and then it broke through this resistance, and again it is now taking resistance of our previous level. If you see, I had mentioned you guys, this is a pretty strong resistance area. Market came here multiple times taking resistance, tried to cross either by a gap up opening or piercing through but could not. This was a big gap up that day, but again it could not sustain, and despite having no swing high next to it, and it came inside. So this is a pretty strong area. This time also it opened gap up but could not sustain and it came inside. So this level you can take it as a 15,770 to 15,795. This is a pretty strong resistance area. Sorry. And we might not see any, we might not see any price action happening unless this particular level is decisively broken, and the only way to break it is, as of now, price can come down. As I had mentioned to you, those who have not seen the video, I am again saying please go through it and watch it. This is a pretty strong buyer's zone. The range is 15,550 to 15,605. This is a pretty strong buyer's zone. Once the price, so now for next 2 to 4 sessions, price is going to behave like this. So it has taken resistance here, this is confirmed. So now this area is pretty strong resistance area. Price will come down from this level and it will probably touch this zone between 15,550 to 15,605. And after that, if you guys can see consolidation for next 2-3 sessions in this range, rest assured it is going to break this resistance and make a fresh new high of 16,100. So this is going to be the Nifty's move for next 2 to 5 sessions, maybe 2 to 4 sessions. But guys, make sure that for next 2-3 days we are short. We are not bullish. We are bearish now. But we'll be bullish once we see some consolidation followed by buying, because this is a pretty strong buyer's zone. Price has taken support here multiple times. If you see, price has taken multiple support here. Multiple times it has always this particular day, if you guys see here, this particular day price tried to open below this level to break it. However, we saw a strong buying coming in because this was a strong support level. Price tried to break it by opening gap down but could not sustain and buying came in. So guys, this area is a pretty strong area, as I mentioned, 15,550 to 15,605. For next 2-3 days the price movement is bearish and we are going to see at least from 790 level to 6 or 5 600 or 15,550. So approximately 200 to 250 points correction, followed by consolidation and a buying for a fresh new high. So there will be buying opportunity here. There will be buying opportunity here once it retests this particular resistance after breaking it, because now retest is compulsory. Price is not able to move above this level after so many so many of attempts. So the retest is a mandatory for price, so there will be another buying. So you guys can buy at two times. One is in this zone, this area 550 to 605, and another is here once it retest, and there you can take up another 300 points rally, you can catch up. So guys, hope you like this video of new Nifty 50 levels, and if you have any comment suggestions, please put in the comment box either on YouTube or Twitter. I'll be very happy to answer each one of your questions, and if you have not subscribed, just enjoy the video, don't bother about anything else. If you will like my videos, levels probably will enjoy later on sometime in near future. That's it for the today guys, hope you enjoyed it and have a good night. Bye bye.